Stretch marks. These are the kind of white stripes that appear on our skin. Reports indicate that 9 out of 10 women have stretch marks to some degree. You can take off your clothes and let your partner check you out. In fact, stretch marks most commonly appear on our backs, buttocks, thighs, and knees. Stretch marks, though not widely discussed, are indeed a thorn in the hearts of many girls. Some girls even lose confidence and are afraid to start relationships because of stretch marks. In fact, I also have stretch marks on my buttocks, so they are basically invisible when I wear clothes. I don't care much, but a few months ago, I set a goal to reduce my weight to 100 pounds. I want to go to the Maldives and wear a bikini, so I want to remove my stretch marks in a few months. Then I tried some methods and found that my stretch marks have indeed faded a lot recently. Therefore, in this video, I will share some methods to help you get rid of stretch marks. Before we begin, let me explain the cause of stretch marks. Borrowing a genius answer from the internet, your skin doesn't allow you to be so fat, but you are so fat, so your skin got angry and exploded. This straightforwardly describes the cause of stretch marks. In fact, stretch marks are caused by fat expanding too quickly, and the skin can't grow at the same fast rate, causing a break. Some thin girls also have stretch marks because their body fat percentage is relatively high. If the skin's elasticity is poor, slight fluctuations in fat amount can cause stretch marks. With the background explained, let's start with my methods to remove stretch marks. First, dry brushing before bathing. Second, using body oil after bathing. Third, daily use of scar removal products. First, body dry brushing has 3 main benefits. First, it helps us remove dead skin, making the skin smoother. Second, dry brushing can also enhance blood circulation at the ends of our skin, improving the elasticity of connective tissue, maximizing the smoothness of cellulite, and having an anti-edema effect. Third, during the dry brushing process, we are observing our bodies, which can urge us to maintain a good weight and love our bodies well. Introducing how to use a dry brush, the core is to brush from the limbs towards the heart. I do it in circular motions, and it is important not to brush back and forth and not to interrupt. For thick, rough dead skin on the heels or under the buttocks, we can brush a few more times, but for thinner skin on the face, neck, and chest, we can skip it or use a soft dedicated brush instead. The safest frequency for dry brushing is every 2 days, but I brush myself 3 times a week with a hard, careful brush. For drier parts like the calves, I brush gently each time. Dry brushing is not suitable for everyone, it must be done in a healthy skin state. If you have eczema or particularly dry skin, never use a dry brush as it can have more serious consequences. You can adjust the frequency based on your skin's condition to find a comfortable state. For brush selection, I bought a natural pig bristle brush. The bristles are like our hair, so they are skin-friendly, not easy to break, and do not damage the skin. I highly recommend buying a natural pig bristle brush. After brushing, I take a bath, and after the bath, I move to the second step, body oil. This does not mean buying expensive essential oils, but rather affordable large bottles of body oil, such as jojoba oil, shea butter, almond oil, and other natural plant oils. Do not choose mineral oil. These natural plant oils contain many vitamins and minerals and are similar to our skin's oils, forming a protective film that is breathable and moisturizing. I highly recommend buying such vegetable oils. I use these 2 types myself. This is not an advertisement, I have really used them. The first is a Czech National Treasure brand called Spinach, which is a mixed body oil containing almond oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and some rose essential oils. It's a really cheap, big bowl, very good to use. Another easy-to-buy one is Melvita's argan oil, which is a relatively single-component oil. I usually use it to massage my face or a little on my hair. It's an all-encompassing oil. I found that Muji also has pure jojoba oil, so if you don't know what brand to choose, you can also check out Muji's products, which are more guaranteed in quality. My method is to directly apply oil to the stretch marks, but if you think the oil is too greasy, you can also mix it with your body lotion. In fact, the more oil, the better the moisturizing effect, and the faster the skin grows and repairs. Don't give up, it's really good for our skin. In addition to dry brushing and body oil, Scar products are also excellent for eliminating stretch marks because stretch marks are also a kind of internal scar. I use a scar patch from the brand Xerox, which is a silicone gel patch that can be cut to the shape of your scar and then directly stuck on. It can be reused 28 times. I happened to buy 2, placing one on each buttock. Its texture is quite sticky, adhering to our skin, and you don't have to worry about it falling off when walking. It won't feel stuffy either. It creates a water film on the skin surface, speeding up scar healing. Scar products will have these effects. You can choose some scar products you have on hand. Okay, the above 3 methods are what I have used and found very useful. Getting rid of these stretch marks is harder than losing weight, so it's a protracted battle. We must be patient and work hard to break up with these fat lines as soon as possible. That's all for today's video. I hope you all like it. See you in the next video.